It's me, Chase. Chase.
And it's me, Chrissy. Chrissy.
And we are the Migos. Today, we're gonna sign along with JJ and his family to the beach song.
Will you join us?
Great! Ready? Let's go!
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be. Let's build a castle. Build a castle. Let's build a castle. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's a place to be. Let's splash, splash, splash in the waves. Splash, splash, splash in the waves. Let's splash, splash, splash in the waves. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be.
Let's bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. Let's bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be. Let's fly, fly, fly a kite. Fly, fly, fly a kite. Let's fly, fly, fly a kite. We're playing at the beach.
I love the beach. That was so much fun.
Thanks for signing along with us. See you next time.
Bye.
Sign with me. Ready? Let's go. It's my go. Hi, I'm Chase. My favorite thing about buses are the wheels. Yeah, wheels go round and round and round, just like my friend, Cece. Yeah, Cece loves to twirl, just like this. Whoa! Twirling is fun. I wish I could go round and round and round like wheels on a bus. Yeah. Can you sign wheels with me? Yeah. Wheels. W H E E L S. Yeah, wheels. Yeah, I love wheels. Wait, I have an idea. Do you want to sign along with JJ to Wheels on the Bus? Yes? Amazing. Ready? Let's go. Bye!
Sing with me. Beach song. Hi, it's me, Chrissy. Chrissy, I'm so happy you're here. Can you guess what I'm doing today? I'm going to the beach with JJ and his family. I love to swim. Do you know how to swim? I just started learning, and it's so much fun. Ready to sing beach with me? Ready? Beach. B E A C H. Beach. I love the beach. Hey Chase, are you excited about our trip to the beach? It's Jago.
It's Maiko. Hi, friends. It's me, Chase. Chase. I'm so excited. I've been getting ready all morning. Swimming in the water is so much fun. Do you like my snorkel? It's my big brother's, but I'm actually borrowing it so I can see all the cool fish underwater. Ooh! Wow! Look at all these fish! Wow! Come on! Ready to sign water with me? Yeah? Great! Water. W A T E R. Water. I'm so excited to jump in the water and find all these cool, colorful fish.
You're so good at signing. Great job. I think you're ready to go to the beach too. Want to join us?
Yeah! Let's go to the beach together. Follow us. Come on, let's go. Ooh.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be. Let's build a castle. Build a castle. Let's build a castle. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's a place to be. Let's splash, splash, splash in the waves. Splash, splash, splash in the waves. Let's splash, splash, splash in the waves. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be.
Let's bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. Let's bounce, bounce, bounce a beach ball. We're playing at the beach.
Come on, let's go. Today is hot, so we'll have some fun out in the sun. The sand and sea's the place to be. Let's fly, fly, fly a kite. Fly, fly, fly a kite. Let's fly, fly, fly a kite. We're playing at the beach.
Sign it with me. 5 little monkeys. It's my go. Hi, it's me, Chase. I'm so happy to see you. Have you met my friend, Ollie? He's the best. So, Ollie told me a story about 5 little monkeys. Monkeys are my favorite animal. Ready to sign monkey with me? Yeah? All right, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Nice job. Did you know monkeys like to jump from tree to tree? Ooh. Wow. They can jump so far. Do you like to jump? Yeah? Oh, that's awesome. I love to jump. Wait. Remember my friend Ollie? He likes to jump too. Let's go see what he's doing. Ollie, wait for us.
5. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. 1. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed.
Sign along. Yes, yes, vegetables. Hey friends, it's me, Chase. Today, JJ, all the Migos and I are gonna sign along to the song, Yes, Yes, Vegetables. Ready? Let's go!
Peas, peas, it's time to eat your peas.
Yes, 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 I want to eat my peas.
Good, good. The carrots are good for you.
Yay, yay, yay! I love them. Ooh!
See, see. Elephant likes them too. 1, 2, 3. He ate them up. You see.
Ha, ha, ha! The carrots are all gone now. Yum, yum, yum! We like them. Wow!
Squash, squash. It's time to eat your squash.
Yes, yes, yes! I want to eat the squash.
Good, good. Squash is good for you.
Yay, yay, yay! I love it. Ooh!
See, see. Monkey likes it too. 1, 2, 3. He ate it up. You see.
Ha, ha, ha! The squash is all gone now. Yum, yum, yum! We like it. Wow!
Beans, beans. It's time to eat your beans.
Yes, yes, yes! I want to eat the beans.
Good, good. Beans are good for you.
Yay, yay, yay! I love them. Ooh!
See, see. Mousy likes them too. 1, 2, 3. He ate them up. You see.
Ha, ha, ha! The beans are all gone now. Yum, yum, yum! We like them. Wow! Broccoli, broccoli, it's time to eat your broccoli.
Yes, yes, yes. I want to eat the broccoli.
Good, good, the broccoli's good for you.
Yay, yay, yay. I love it. Ooh.
See, see, Teddy likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see.
Ha, ha, ha. The broccoli's all gone now. Yum, yum, yum. We like it. Wow.
Oh, that was so much fun, right?
Yeah! Thanks for signing along with us. You're really good.
See you next time. Bye.
Sign along. 5 little monkeys. Hey friends, it's me, Chrissy. Chrissy.
Hi, and I'm Chase. Chase. And we are the Migos.
We are so happy you're here. Today, we're gonna sign along to 5 little monkeys.
This is one of my favorite songs. Want to sign with our friends, Ella and Ollie?
Great!
Ready? Let's go!
5.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more jumping on the bed.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, No more jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped her head.
Mother called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more jumping on the bed.
2 Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed.
Woo! That was so much fun. Thank you for signing along with us and our friends, Ali and Ella.
I love this song. Thanks for signing with us.
See you next time.
Bye. Sign along. Wheels on the bus. Hey friends, it's me, Chase. Today, we're gonna sign along to Wheels on the Bus with JJ and all the Migos. Ready? Let's go!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh 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 shh. Ah, the mommies on the bus go shh shh, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, all through the town.
The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you.
The daddies on the bus go, I love you, all through the town.
That was so much fun! Thank you for signing along with us.
See you next time.
Bye!
Sign with me. Yes, yes, vegetables. It's Maiko. Hi, it's me, Chase. Today, we're learning all about vegetables with our friend JJ. Say hi, JJ. JJ and I love eating vegetables. Vegetables? Do you like eating vegetables? That's great! Carrots are my favorite. Ready to sign carrots with me? carrots. C A R R O T S. Carrots. Carrots? You're so good at signing. Do you know why carrots are my favorite? They're long. They're crunchy. And the color orange. Oh, I love the color orange. I have an idea. Do you want to know what JD's favorite vegetable is? Yes? Me too. Let's go find out and sign along. Let's go.
Peas, peas, it's time to eat your peas.
Yes, 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 I want to eat my peas.
Good, good, the peas are good for you.
Yay, 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 I love them. Ooh.
See, Teddy likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see.
Ha, 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 the peas are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow.
Carrots, carrots, it's time to eat your carrots.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the carrots.
Good, good, the carrots are good for you.
Yay, 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 I love them. Ooh.
See, elephant likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see.
Ha, 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 the carrots are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow.
Squash, squash, it's time to eat your squash.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the squash.
Good, good, squash is good for you.
Yay, 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 I love it. Ooh.
See, monkey likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see.
Ha, 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 the squash is all gone now. Yum, 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 we like it, wow.
Beans, it's time to eat your beans.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the beans.
Good, good, beans are good for you.
Yay, 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 I love them. Ooh.
See, Mousy likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see.
Ha, 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 the beans are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow. Broccoli, it's time to eat your broccoli.
Yes, 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 I want to eat the broccoli.
Good, good, the broccoli's good for you.
Yay, 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 I love it. Ooh.
See, Teddy likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see.
Ha, 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 the broccoli's